why isn't there more competition in the insulin market, and why don't we have more manufacturers producing biosimilar insulins? First of all, manufacturing insulin requires specific expertise. It relies on a fermentation process, a purification to get the insulin, and then also to have sterile final formulations. Also, to gather all the data that are required to demonstrate safety, purity, and similarity of biosimilar insulins to their reference insulins requires a lot of efforts, a lot of money, and not all the companies are able to invest and to have the adequate experts to develop this. Also, the evaluation guidelines that have been set up by stringent regulatory authorities are not fully harmonized today. And even there are other countries that have developed evaluation guidelines that are even different compared to what the stringent regulatory authorities are requiring, meaning that for the companies, a whole set of different trials or different information need to be gathered to be marketed in different countries. And that will need to be fixed to have more competition on the insulin market and to have more players able to market biosimilar insulin. Most biosimilar insulin manufacturers have started by producing human insulin, biosimilar human insulin. And from there, they started to develop biosimilar analog insulins. And we've got already examples of some of these companies that have the full range of biosimilar insulin in their catalog, human, and among the analogs, Glargine, Aspart, and Lispro. Pharmaceutical companies producing biosimilar insulin tend to be strong in their local market. It's the case of Bioton in Poland. It's also the situation for Biocon in India and Ganenli in China. From there, out of the 10 manufacturers producing biosimilar insulins, only a minority of them tend to be strong also outside their market, exporting their biosimilar insulins.